diagnosis is you got a case of the hiccups. The good news is there are a few tricks we can try. Okay, the first thing we're going to try to get rid of these hiccups is circular breathing. Circular breathing is when you breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. That's it. Take a nice, slow, and steady sip, Fergie. Drinking water upside down can distract your brain and make the hiccups go away. Sometimes eating a bite of sour lemon can make the hiccups go away. Okay, Fergie, open wide and say, ah. Hiccups fine, too.
Watch full episodes of Vida the Vet, now streaming on YouTube.